What's up, deal makers? Welcome to the Deal Maker channel, and this is my January portfolio update. This is the first time I'm doing a portfolio update. I hope you will learn something from it. Well, I research and analyze companies so you can make more informed investment decisions instead of basing it on hype. This time, I will pull back the curtain and show you my own portfolio, how my own portfolio is doing so you can judge for yourself if the opinions that you hear from this site or from this channel are worth following. I have to warn you, I am not an investment advisor. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and these are just investment opinions from an actual investor. So I hope that you learned something. Warning, what I'm about to share is just a small portfolio. So it's not a huge portfolio like some of these more popular YouTubers, but I'm still building it up, and I already like what I. It's still a small portfolio. I'm still building it up, but I like the direction that it is taking. Now, I want it to be an example for small investors all over the world, especially in my country, the Philippines, because I want people in my country to invest in the global market and to show them that even if you start small, no, it's not important. You can get started small investing in the global markets. So let's dive in. So this is how my portfolio did. It earned 9.61% for the month of January. It beat all of the benchmarks that I'm trying to beat. So the SPY, which is an ETF based on the S&P 500, it lost 1.02%. QQQ, an ETF based on the Nasdaq, it's 0.26%, and the PSEI, which is the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, it lost 8.12% in January. So yeah, good job. Good job, Ronald, for the month of January. Now, the cool thing with eToro is I can claim all of this, but it's much better for you if you check out my public profile. So I'll be sharing my public profile in the links below, and I'm going to show it to you in this video too. Right, so when you go to my public profile, this is what you will see. My username is my name, no, Ronald Kagape. Not logged in, right? I'm not logged into eToro right now. So you will see what I'm showing you in the screen right now. So for January here, I made 9.61%. You can also see my performance the last year. So August, I made 10.99. Not so good in September, October, and a little bit better in November and December. So 2020, I made 19.01%, and 2021, I'm already halfway. So I hope I can continue that. Of course, it's not realistic to expect this every month. There's going to be volatility in the market, and that's one of the things that I hope to be able to navigate in 2021. You can also see here my risk score. It's a proprietary measure by eToro. This actually tells you how risky your portfolio is. So the lower the risk score, then that means the more responsible the trader is. And you want to become a responsible trader. And if you want to copy traders in eToro, it's actually possible to copy me or to copy traders who are much better than me. I would encourage you to check out their risk scores as well. The minimum risk score to copy trader is 7, right? If the risk score goes 8, that means the 8 or higher, that means the trader is too aggressive. He's taking too much risk for his portfolio. So I wanted to be able to learn how to manage my risk score in 2020 before trying to become more aggressive. Now that I've learned how to manage that, I can make a little bit more aggressive moves and see how that impacts my risk score. I don't have any copiers yet, so I hope that if you like what I've been doing so far, if you like what I'm seeing so far, open an eToro account and copy me so that you can get the exact same results. That's the great thing here. You can just set your account to copy me or to copy a mix of popular investors. You don't have to put all of your portfolio to copy mine. You can actually spread it around, different investors. That's another cool feature of eToro. You can test out the multiple investors. You can actually see here how often I trade. I'm not a high volume trader or I'm not a high frequency trader. Most of my trades are in stocks and 15% are in ETFs. In the future, maybe I'll get into crypto, but I don't foresee getting into that. In the future, I might get into crypto as my portfolio grows. So that's the one of the things that I'd like to get into, but it's not yet a high priority. You can also see what are my most frequently traded stocks, and you can see my profitability. So I'm not 100% profitable, but that's okay because even though I make a few mistakes here and there, overall, I was still able to beat the market benchmarks. There. So you can see I've been active since August 1st. I hold most of my positions for more than 2 months. I do have some trades that were short term in nature, but most of my positions are long term in nature, 3 to 5 years. So that's my public profile. You can even take a peek at what is inside my portfolio. So you can see what stocks I have bought. So some of these you have already seen in my analysis videos. Some you haven't. And the reason for that is the YouTube algorithm actually favors more popular stocks. And since I'm trying to build the YouTube channel, so most of my analysis will center on the more popular stocks, but I'm going to open a Patreon account. So for my Patreon supporters, you will be able to view my less popular stock analysis videos. So I'll be doing that exclusive for my Patreon supporters. I hope you look forward to that. It's not yet up. In case you're watching this video at a later time and it's already up, please check the link below. All right, so I'm really happy with my January performance. Um, January, what were the things that I did? I bought and sold Overstock. Overstock is what was one of my e-commerce recommendations, but that video did not really get a lot of views. I already sold Overstock because I'm not high conviction on the stock for the next 3 to 5 years. But that's fine because I actually went into Beyond Meat. So I wanted to diversify out of the tech stocks and get into something outside of technology. And I'm really bullish on Beyond Meat for the next 3 to 5 years. So this is a high conviction position. And I'll be doing an analysis video of Beyond Meat in the future. I also got into Qualcomm. So I'm encouraged by the developments in the 5G space. I also started to trade the VIX ETFs. So I've been looking for ways to protect the portfolio in case there is a market correction or a market crash. And this is one of the best ways to protect the portfolio. So I started to trade the VIX ETFs and I'll be doing more of this in the future. Since the start in Etoro, August 1st, I earned 28.62% already. I've beaten the SPY, which made 9.9%, beat QQ, made 18.7%, and I've beaten the Philippine, the PSEI as well also. So I'm really, really very happy with the way my eToro portfolio is performing. So good job, Ronald. Good job. Please make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That helps the channel grow and it encourages me to make more videos like this. Now, what are my plans for February? Well, I want to increase my cash flow. Definitely, that is one of the things that I'm focusing on. That's why I'm building up this channel. This channel is not really revenue generating yet. It's not yet qualified for monetization. And that's why I'm very aggressive, in making more videos. But for now, I'll be focusing on the more popular stocks because that's what YouTube likes. Next, I want to get more eToro referrals to get the $50 bonus. So this is the cool thing with eToro. When you open an account and when you start doing your initial trading actions, you will be rewarded with a $50 bonus. So this is free money. Uh, Even if you only put in $200, you'll get $50 free money when you follow the steps. Once you fulfill the requirements, you'll get the $50 bonus. But the cool thing here also is that you can refer your friends to make an extra $50 also. So you can refer up to 10 friends. And so that's going to be a $500 bonus for you. So I want to be able to maximize that $500 bonus. That's free money. I won't say no to free money. And when you open an eToro account, you can encourage your friends to invest as well. Now, if you want to avail of that $50 bonus, you have to hurry because I only have 6 slots left. And then once you have opened your eToro account, encourage your friends. So share my videos, share my channel, share this portfolio update so that they can see how good investing in the global market really is. I will be also trading the VIX more often in February. I really want to learn how to make consistent money trading the VIX because I believe this is going to be the best protection against market corrections or market crashes. And I'm looking to add positions in more high growth stocks. So I don't have a position in Etsy yet. I really want to get into that. I want to add a few more positions in less popular stocks that my Patreon supporters will be hearing about. Um, but I do want to grow the portfolio. You can be a supporter just by smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps the channel grow. And also feel free to share my videos to your friends as well. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. So I hope you like my update. I hope I can continue growing this portfolio and sharing this journey with you as well. I hope you stay tuned for more Dealmaker videos, and I hope that all of your deals will push through. See you on the next video.